Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a close look at two popular portable washing machines. The COMFEE 1.6 CUFT Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in an apartment, camping, or just need a compact solution for your laundry, this video will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT Portable Washing Machine offers a significantly larger space for laundry, accommodating up to 11 pounds of clothes. This makes it ideal for larger loads, such as bedding or multiple outfits. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is suitable for smaller items like baby clothes or underwear. If you frequently wash larger loads, the COMFEE is the clear winner. But for those with lighter laundry needs, the portable washing machine might suffice. The automation level is another crucial factor. The COMFEE is fully automatic, meaning you can set it and forget it, as it handles all washing cycles independently. In contrast, the portable washing machine is semi-automatic, requiring manual intervention for certain processes. This could be a drawback for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. If convenience is your priority, the COMFEE stands out in this category. Price is always a significant consideration. The COMFEE comes with a price tag of $329, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the portable washing machine is priced at just $69, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. While the lower price of the portable washing machine is appealing, it's essential to weigh that against the features and capacity you may need. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and laundry requirements. In conclusion, both the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a larger, fully automatic machine for more extensive laundry needs, the COMFEE is the better choice. However, if you're looking for a lightweight, budget-friendly option for smaller loads, the portable washing machine is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.